Okay guys, welcome back to Jay Strategies, where we bring you all of the latest and greatest crypto news and much more. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, smash that like button. We love you guys, all the love and support and rocking out with us all day, every day in our Telegram channels, in Jay Strategies admin channel. We dropped a bunch of different promos today for you guys, just a couple winners here and there. You know, if you like and subscribe, just go ahead and make sure to retweet our tweet and drop it. There's another $10 winner out there. There's $5 winners. There's $10 winners. Just follow our page. We always run contests for you guys. We always rock out. We drop all the latest and greatest crypto news, articles, and much more. Don't forget to hop on over and trade, just like Jay Strategies trades for radio. And you can click onto the phemex registration link and use my code, and you get your welcome bonus as well as up to 4.1K in deposit bonuses. So guys, don't forget to hop on over there, click that link, register, and get to trading. You can also shoot me a message and I'll be always available, ready to help. Okay, let's hop into the overall cryptocurrency market cap. Overall cryptocurrency is 1.7 trillion. We're going to hop on over here and we're going to show you what's rocking and rolling, what's happening in the crypto market. You can see the global cryptocurrency market did have a pullback on the MACD here, but you can see how we flipped. We got to the -6 MACD. We didn't make it to the -10, which usually when I see a little influx and a hit there. So we did tap off that. We wicked out. We grabbed some liquidity grabs. So this is overall market. We grabbed some and then we shot to the upside because of the crypto. Remember guys, today is a holiday, so the New York market and the SPY, you need to keep your eye on the SPY tomorrow, Tuesday, the 22nd. Today is the 21st of February. Guys, smash that like for us. We'll bring you latest and greatest crypto news. Okay, so that's where we're rocking here right now, and you can see the overall cryptocurrency market cap, 1.7 trillion. Bitcoin price coming in at 38.6K, up 1.16%. Ethereum coming in at 2.7K, up 3.04%. BNB at 378.24, up 0.2%. XRP at 78 cents, down 0.35. Now, XRP was actually bullish yesterday. If you go back and watch our videos, we talked about XRP and we showed some info in there. We'll actually show you again today XRP and what's happening on these charts. It's very, it's very interesting. I like it. The SEC and all the information and news happening with the lawsuits. So there's a lot of bullish sentiment in the market for XRP. XRP gang, throw your X's up, guys. All right. So you can see Cardano below the dollar. It's up 1.2% today at 94 cents. Holding hard, holding strong. Cardano. Solana back at the 90. I like when Solana sits at the 90 and it's up almost 2%. So that's good for Solana after that pullback. Terra, don't forget to use Anchor Protocol. You get 19% right now on your UST Tether stablecoin through the Terra protocols. Anchor Protocol. Luna coming in at 52.19, up 7.6%. Avalanche is below our 80 mark at 78.57, up 1%, we can say. Dogecoin at 13 cents, up 1% today, but down 6% for the 7 days. So we were talking about Dogecoin, and this is actually one of our buy-in targets, okay? And then we could talk about tokens 10 through 20, okay? We could drop you some prices really quick. Polkadot at 17.12. Shiba Inu coming at 0.000026666. What a number, guys. Polygon Matic coming in at $1.54, up 1.61%. Crow, Crypto.com token down 1% at 40 cents. And then top it off, number 20, Litecoin coming in $110, up almost 1%. And then we have our other ones. Cosmos, actually a really good project. We could talk about that and more of our articles and news and ads and much more. Let's hop into the charts, guys. Let's go ahead and show you some stuff here. US 10-year bonds down to 1.9%. They want to see it hold at this too, which we're not sure if it's going to do. Bitcoin dominance coming in 42. So I like this 42.3% right here. This is very good for Bitcoin dominance. You see this little area right there? So I like that because we're breaking out in the dominance. Bitcoin's taking over. US Tether. What happens with US Tether is when it's going up, guys, okay, that means people are swapping their Bitcoin for US Tether. So you can see now that people took their US Tether, and what are they doing, guys? They're swapping it for Bitcoin. So they're not swapping Bitcoin for Tether. They're swapping Tether for Bitcoin. You like that little drawing there? Okay, so that's what we have. The dollar index at 96. And you can see the dollar index riding at this level. So it actually might pull up a little bit more before it comes back to this EMA ribbon band. But if we do see that come back down, that's going to be actually bullish for the Bitcoin market. Now we get into the Bitcoin price. Guys, don't forget to hop on over to our Twitter. We drop all of the information on the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Don't forget to smash that like button and use our links, guys. There's a lot of contests out there for you guys. Make sure to rock out, chilling with us. Jay Strategies, Trades for Radio. Bitcoin charts. Bitcoin on the daily. Remember we talked yesterday about this area here? Well, look what happened. We flew up here above the EMA ribbons on the daily, okay? And when we retested into the ribbons, we came back above and we pulled right down to this trend line that was coming off of that play, okay? So you can see how we've been following this trend line. You see this line drawing here? And then we hit this cross area where this line of support right there, okay, and I'm going to tell you some numbers. 37.9 line of support, and you can see this candle forming right here. So if we break below that 37.9 into this little area, then it will be bearish for Bitcoin to come back down to those designated zones. You can see that green line that we have. Okay, so this is on the daily. You can see that we did have an inverse head and shoulders, but now this shoulder came down more. It's not coming back to that neckline. So we're looking for some really good new patterns here. On the 4 hour for Bitcoin, what do you see, guys? You can see the MACD trying to cross over right here, okay? And you can see, hold on, let me just shift over some of these areas here. You can see that we're pulling back up. You see this red band right here at 39.6 resistance, and then you see support down here at 36.3. Those are my levels, and you can see right in that cross area where we just ripped between that trend line we talked about, it bouncing off that trend line, and then also getting the pressure build up. Remember, we talked about this too yesterday. You can see in our video at that corner piece when this flew up here, we knew it was going to hit here, but then as soon as it hit the resistance right there, you see the resistance line, it pulled back down below our cross area between our support and that trend line, and then it could have been bearish, but the next candle pulled way back above it. So I'm expecting the next candle to retest this support line at 38K. There you go. There's a straight shooter on the Bitcoin. 1 hour, what do you see? You see some divergence here, guys. Go ahead and hop on over and you'll see bullish divergence on the 4 hour, guys. So that's what you were just talking about here. So you can see the 4 hour, you have bullish divergence happening. And you can see how the price was trending down, but the RSI and everything was squeezed mobbing up. All right, so that's what you're looking for. That's bullish divergence. Overall cryptocurrency market cap. We are going to hop into Ethereum now. Don't forget to smash that like button. Guys, we drop a bunch of YouTube shorts all day, every day for you guys. Go ahead and rock out over there. Watch the shorts. Some of them are funny. Some are informational. And we get the news out to you guys. Also, don't forget to hop on over here. And we have videos on how to earn passive income with Babyswap, Swap, and much, much more. We got NFT games on our platform too. This is awesome, amazing things like War of Tribes and different gaming options like Swap, which is partnership with some Binance projects. Okay, and also just linking up and providing the latest, greatest crypto news, like we say, Dre Strategies to the moon. All right, so let's hop into the Ethereum price. Today we're gonna keep this nice, short and sweet and quick for you guys. You can see resistance level at 2.7K, 2.750 resistance level for Ethereum that we were talking about, and the support level that we were hitting is 2.585. Okay, you can see how we went and we bounced off that, shot back up, and you can see how from that trend, you see this little area right here, same idea. This little area right here, you see we built up pressure, we shot up to that resistance, came back down to the support, and now we're heading back up to that resistance. So very, very tight ranges here, flipping back and forth, but I can expect another bounce off of this trend line and a continuation. That's on the 4-hour for Ethereum. 1 hour below the ribbons, coming for that ribbon. The bottom starting for resistance for the Ethereum on the daily would be the 2.8K80 range. On the daily, you can see the MACD pulling down here, and also lines crossing at this point from going up. So that's what we have on the Ethereum price. Binance Coin, BNB. Oh, by the way, Ethereum, yes, that's what we talked about right here. Here's your numbers. Ethereum, 2.6. BNB, 377.9. Riding straight. I'm expecting BNB. You see this M pattern? Okay, yeah, we did form an M pattern. We're coming right back down to this point here. BNB actually can trigger back down to the 335 range. That would be a big buy-in target for me if we do break that support. What I can expect here is coming back down to this support line at 358, and then I would wait for a bounce and then a confirmation back into these ribbons on the daily, and that's what I see on the BNB. XRP, 78 cents, riding, trying to flip the ribbons, man, and this is what we were talking about. This is very bullish. That kind of looks really nice to me. You see this? Okay, what do you see here? I see some real hard trading pressure in this area. And these are all daily candles on top of this EMA ribbon. And it had some really bullish MACD. MACD shot up here, but it did cross over. So it might actually swoop back down in before we balance out to a nice level here in the MACD. So that would bring us back into the area of this candle here, okay, which is coming in at the 68 cents. So let's go ahead and just draw a line there for you guys real quick. So if we do break below that, we will hit that, and then once we hit that, that would be another trigger for me for a continuation to the upside. But it's looking bullish actually today in the market. For Bitcoin and just the overall markets are looking bullish actually. They're up a little bit. We're in the green, so that's definitely a bonus. Cardano, like we said, below $1, pulling below this range, the EMA ribbons. $1.05 would be the next level of resistance, and then the support coming in. You can see that the next real big level of support is right here, right now at the 89. So Cardano is on a mission. Matic at $1.54. You can see $1.31 is a level for us. If it breaks the $1.31, it's coming for the 99. If it hits the $1.31 and it retests, it will continue to the upside to a resistance level of a $1.70. Avalanche at $78. Line of support is 54. So if we continue to break down, we can actually hit first target at 65, second target at 54. Then I would wait for a retest on either one of those, okay, as we're pulling down. Bullish because the market's kind of, I would expect some sideways trading, but that would be overall what we're looking at. Solana at 90, okay, right on that support line. So if I do see a break below the $90 level, we are looking for our next levels coming in here at the 66. All right, so that's going to be our next level, and then resistance for Solana is at 101. So we break 101, we can head up into the EMA ribbons on the daily. Phantom at $1.73, can come back to $1.13. Resistance to the bullish upside would be 201. So holding this line here, because you can see this previous area here. They have these positions in here, so you can expect that, but I would expect the first target of $1.35 first before anything. So keep your eyes on the market and be wise. Dogecoin. Let's talk about Dogecoin. Now, let me just set up this little thing here. You can see Doge had that increase, that real big pump happened there on that daily, but now this is the daily for Doge. A lot of sideways trading, a lot of testing this line a bunch of times. Okay, so the 11 cents is actually a really strong support line. Like that's not looking too bullish for Dogecoin, but the top of the resistance bands are at the 15. I want to see some bullish action for Dogecoin. Go ahead, guys. Hit that Doge, hit the retweets, smash your hashtags, and support it, man. Take it to the moon. Shiba Inu lost a lot of its market cap. It is holding right here. You can see where it's at the 0.2367 area. If it breaks below that, it's coming for this right here, the 1551. Guys, don't forget to hop over to our Twitter page, okay? Smash the retweet for us. Join our channel where we talk about the latest and greatest crypto news. Jay's Strategies, Trades for Radio. Until the next time, guys, Jay's Strategies, Trades for Radio, to the moon!